Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal. Stand before you with a topic: environment, meaning and functions. It is found in +3 6th semester ethics and value paper, and the name of the paper is environmental and techno ethics. But before I discuss meaning of environment and functions of environment, I want to inform my viewers that my channel name is @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, where you will find videos from +3 first semester to 6th semester political honors, videos from +3 first semester to 6th semester ethics and values, and videos from +3 first semester to 2nd semester political and general elective, and some videos of environmental studies of +3 first semester, and political science videos of +2 first year, and total political science videos of +2 second year political science. I want to inform my viewers that any video on any topic you want, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in Google or YouTube. You'll get videos in 2 languages, Odia and English. Let us start. Environment, meaning and functions. We'll discuss what is an environment and what are the functions of environment. In the subject environmental and techno ethics, environment is a vital concept. Its meaning and basic functions are mentioned below. In the subject environmental and techno ethics, environment is a vital concept. Its meanings and functions will be discussed now. Its meaning and functions are mentioned below. So in the subject environmental and techno ethics, which is in +3 6th semester ethics and value, environment is a vital concept, and its meaning and functions are mentioned below. Now I'll discuss meaning of environment. What is an environment? Environment means a sum total of all the biotic elements, means living elements, and abiotic elements, non-living elements around an organism and their impacts on the organism. So what is an environment? Environment means a sum total of all the biotic elements, means living elements, and abiotic elements, non-living elements around an organism and their effects on the organism. So environment means a sum total of all the biotic elements or living elements as well as abiotic elements or non-living elements around an organism or living body and its impact on the organism is the environment. So environment means it is the sum total, or it is the mixture of all the biotic elements, means living elements, and all the abiotic elements, non-living elements around an organism and its effects on the organism is known as environment. So environment means whenever in the surrounding of an organism there are living elements as well as non-living elements, and their impacts on the organism is known as the environment. while all living or biotic elements include animals, plants, fisheries and birds. And non-living elements include water, land, rock, air and sunshine. So in the biotic elements or living elements, animals, plants, fisheries, birds are included. And in the non-living elements or abiotic elements, water, land, rock, air, sunlight are included. So the surrounding of an organism, including living elements and non-living elements, and their impact on the organism is the environment. So the surrounding of an organism, the surrounding of an organism, which includes both the living elements and non-living elements, and their impacts on the organism is known as the environment. Environment is different from ecosystem, but sometimes people are confused environment with the ecosystem. But environment is different from the ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? Ecosystem means interaction between biotic or living elements with each other, and interaction between biotic or living elements with non-living elements in a specific area of the environment. So what is an ecosystem? Sometimes people are confused environment with the ecosystem, but ecosystem is different. So what is an ecosystem? Ecosystem means interactions between biotic or living elements with each other, and interaction between biotic or living elements with non-living elements in a specific area of the environment. Sometimes people are confused environment with the ecosystem, but ecosystem is different. Ecosystem means whenever in a specific area there will be interactions between living elements with living elements, and interaction between, so ecosystem means whenever in an area there will be interactions between living elements with living elements, or interaction between living elements and non-living elements in a specific area is known as the ecosystem. So within the environment, when there will be interaction between living elements with living elements and interaction between living elements with non-living elements, it will become ecosystem. So ecosystem means whenever in a specific area there will be interactions between living elements with living elements, or interactions between living elements with non-living elements, is known as the ecosystem. But what is an environment? Environment means a sum total of living elements as well as non-living elements around an organism, and their impact on organism is known as the environment. So we are clear about the meaning of environment and how it is different from the ecosystem. Now we'll discuss functions of environment. What function environment has? Number one, environment provides resources for production. The first function of the environment is that it provides resources for production. It provides raw materials or resources for production. Environment provides resources for production. Resources includes non-renewable and renewable resources. So first function of environment is that it provides resources for production, and resources include non-renewable and renewable. Non-renewable resources means non-renewable resources means resources, if will be used, will be exhausted for all time to come. Non-renewable resources include oil, coal, uranium, natural gas, etc. Renewable resources means even if you will use, it will not be wasted. Renewable resources include solar energy, wind power, hydroelectric power, tidal power, biomass, energy from plants, geothermal energy, heat from the earth's core. So the first function of environment is that it provides resources for production. Number two, Environment sustains life. It maintains life. Environment provides the necessary conditions for living organisms to survive, like food, oxygen, water, suitable temperature. So second function of the environment is that it provides, second function of the environment is that it sustains life, it maintains life. Without environment, life will not be maintained. So environment provides necessary conditions for living organisms to survive, like food, oxygen, water, suitable temperature. So environment sustains life. It provides necessary elements for survival. It provides necessary conditions for living organisms to survive, like food, oxygen, water, suitable temperature. Number 3, environment assimilates waste. Environment assimilates waste, means it absorbs waste. It means environment has the ability to absorb and break down waste product through natural processes like decomposition by bacteria and dilution in water without causing significant harm to ecosystem. Another function of environment is that it assimilates waste. It absorbs waste without disturbing the ecosystem. It means environment has the ability to absorb or break down waste product through natural process. It absorbs or break down waste products in natural process like decomposition by bacteria and dilution in water without causing significant harm to ecosystem. It absorbs waste. It solves the problem of waste without making any problems to the ecosystem. Finally, environment enhances the quality of life. It enhances, it increases the quality of life. Environment enhances quality of life by providing a healthy and pleasant surrounding. It enhances the quality of life. How? By providing a healthy and pleasant surrounding. It provides a good surrounding, a pleasant surrounding. Clean air and water. It provides clean air and water. Access to green space. It provides green spaces. Minimal noise pollution. It minimizes noise pollution. It helps to improve a person's overall well-being and happiness and contributing to a better quality of life. So another function of environment is that it enhances the quality of life. It gives a good quality of life to organisms. How? It provides pure, it provides clean air and water. It provides healthy and pleasant surrounding. It provides green space. It minimizes the noise pollution. It helps to improve person's overall well-being and happiness, contributing to a better quality of life. So in this video we've discussed meaning of environment, how it is different from ecosystem, and what are the functions of environment. So I request my viewers to subscribe the channel so new videos will come to you. And the most important thing is, please aware those students of plus 2 level and plus 3 level about this channel, so some students will be benefited. I have already told you, a little help to anybody. It is a humanitarian work. I expect this much from my viewers. Thank you. Have a good day.